Hey everyone, it's Andrew at LA Valley College, and today we're going to learn how to square a vise on a vertical mill. On a mill, the most common type of work holding equipment is called a vise. It allows you to clamp parts by simply opening and closing the jaws. For most applications, the vise needs to be squared, which means to make the face of the jaws parallel to the x-axis. Before installing it, make sure to clean any loose chips off with a brush, and then wipe it in one direction only with a paper towel. Do the same for the table of the mill as well. It is critically important that no chips or debris come between the vise and the table. Install the vise onto the table using the T-slot bolts. Then install nuts and washers, and lightly tighten both sides. They do not need to be secure at this time. Assemble the indicator as shown. Do not install the indicator directly in the collar. Now we're ready to take our first measurement. Lightly preload the indicator and zero the dial. Tram the indicator across the face of the fixed jaw. Note the initial and final values. In this case, the final value reads positive 20 thousandths, which means that the vise jaw is closer to the indicator on the right-hand side. For the vise to be square, the indicator needs to read the same value on both the left and right sides. So in this case, the vise needs to be rotated, moving the right side away from the indicator while pivoting around the left. To do this, we're going to snug the bolt on the left side and loosen the right side bolt completely. Using a rubber or a dead blow hammer, lightly tap the left side of the vise until the indicator reads the same on the right side as it did on the left. Now that things have moved, we need to check it again. Pull the indicator away from the jaws, move back to the left side, reapproach to zero, and tram across the part again. In this case, we're indicated to within 1,000, but you may have to repeat this process several times depending on how far out you are when you start. Now that we're satisfied with the alignment of our vise, we need to tighten both bolts and watch the indicator to make sure that it does not move while we tighten it. Finally, with the vise tightened down, we need to check it one more time to verify our results. For this exercise, anything less than 2 thousandths total indicator reading is acceptable. And there you have it. Your vise is square and you're ready to set up a part. Check back next time, and thanks for watching.